Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about student management system. You know that we have to discuss how you can create a CRUD application. So to create a CRUD application, we will create a student management system in which user will be able to add new student and click on this one. A user will be added and user can be fetched from this table and display all the student in this table. So here when you click on this one, user will be able to add it and delete student. So all the operation will be performed by this application. So purpose of this video to discuss only template that will be required for this application. So this is the first student management CRUD application. This is a home page in which user will be able to see all the student and able to take action, edit and delete, and also add new student. And that this template also required to add a student. When user click on this edit icon, then it will move to this page where user will be able to update any student. Then click on this update button, it will move to this home page to see new record. So this is a Visual Studio Code. You can see that this is a home page, that is a index.html file. This is just HTML CSS bootstrap coding, and there is no PHP coding. I will write PHP coding. Just this is a template that will be required to create CRUD application. This is another file, edit.html, in which we will edit, update a student, and this is a style for this templates. And also you can see that these are all the external links for JavaScript, jQuery, and also CSS, and this is also included style.css that is here. So purpose of this video, as I discussed with you, to discuss with you only template that required for this CRUD application. I can also show you this is a CRUD app only templates. These are templates. You can edit these template for your purpose, learning purpose. Now in the next class I will show you how you can create a CRUD application practically, and then I will convert this file to PHP file, and then we will write PHP coding to insert student record to database table, and fetching, deleting, and also updating that student record. So in the next class we'll discuss how you can insert a student into a database table.